Came back for some more work. Alternator gave out. New battery upgrade with the big 3 upgrade and an auto tech alternator. Big 3. So get it through, get it done. We'll see what's up. And this is a pain in the ass to take this belt off right here. Only because of the fact that you have to put one hand through here, go through there, and then this hand has to go move that piece. Otherwise you can't take this belt off from here because this piece is too long. But got it done. Finally done. Man, this was a pain in the ass to do right here. To get your hand in that little crevice right there. There's not a lot of room. We had to go one size smaller on the belt. Where's the I'll show you guys. This is the size that we had to use. What year is your car? 2019 what? Toyota CHR. So if you guys gonna put an auto tech alternator, make sure you guys get this belt right here. After you put everything on, what you do is you don't put this screw back on. You push it that way, move the tensioner, put the belt with something to give you leverage, you pull, and then you put the screw on, and that's how you get that belt on. And he got a new Odyssey belt. I mean Odyssey belt. Odyssey. And I'm tired as hell. An Odyssey battery. A fuse from the battery to the alternator. A new ground from the battery. I mean from the alternator to the chassis. What else? Pretty much it. And he got the ground, bigger, thicker ground. He did the big 3. So we good. We're about to test the sound. Alright guys, here we go. What you say? What do you say? How you like it? Hits a lot harder, huh?
Love that shit, bro. That's only halfway too.
No, así, déjalo. O dale, como quieras, la speaker, remember? But yeah, here we go. It's all done. Now oil change. My old subs. That's the speaker that broke that dash. I got another speaker that's going in the Regal. Alright guys, already started the process. So that's how it looks right now. Put this on the side. Guess it's the original still from the car. Tomorrow I'm gonna go and look for this right here. This cushion right here. You guys see I got the glue. Those are the new seats right here. It's gonna be my template over here for the next piece of material that I gotta cut out. What's funny is this one doesn't have for the door the handle that goes somewhere right here. It's supposed to be a piece of metal somewhere back here, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna do the same thing how they have it here. I'm not gonna put that little handle So I'm gonna use all this. I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna use this old material, even though it's not that bad, but I'm gonna still do it and see how it goes. Let me go take this apart over here so that way I can trace that out and use that for whatever I need to do. So remember, guys, this is what it used to look like. Let me see how it's gonna look. So I already took it apart. I gotta just do this right here. This, they left it on the rain. They were never like this, and they left them on the rain, and well, you can see it warped. So let's see if I could work with what I got. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. First set is done. Still working, but this is it. I'll do the rest tomorrow. This is 2 of them, as you guys can see. That way they both come out the same. Or somewhat. I mean, it's not bad. I just gotta take a little bit down. I'll do it with the sander instead. But it ain't that bad. You gotta cut this out. These I left them there because that's gonna be how I'm gonna line up the metal piece. Let's see. I'm gonna line it up. I'm gonna drill little holes so that way I can put some. I'll probably have to go buy some more, but what are they called? Rivets. I could put some rivets. Probably gotta go buy a couple of more. See if I could go buy a bag. There you go. That is the first one. So let me see. This will be right there. So that goes right there like that. I'll probably end up selling the other ones. I think I could bring out 5 sets. Probably end up selling the other ones for cheaper. All you guys gonna have to do is drill your own holes, and I'm gonna leave my manual with the manual window, but you guys could drill your own holes, and you guys can go ahead and treat the wood so that way it could be waterproof. Just go buy the varnish or whatever it is you put on it, and yeah, I'll probably end up selling each set like 60 bucks. I won't be selling them one by one. It'll be a set. Probably 60 bucks. But let's see how it looks after I'm done. But that's it right there. Yeah, getting it done. Door panels. This is the other one over here. I'm gonna start cutting out. And then bought the fabric. This is the color I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put on it. I bought the wrong color yesterday too. Bought another one. It's a lot lighter. I didn't like it, so I have to go back. Hopefully they didn't order that. If they did, well, I'll just have to pay them for some more. But it's kind of like a faded blue. I didn't like it. So good thing I still have this. This is enough to do my door panels and maybe the quarter panels. Then I'm getting another one. It's just like this, but in between is it's black with blue. I think this is different too. Oh well. I'll just cut a piece right here, send it to them, and let them know this is the one I need. I'll keep the other one. I'll use this for something else. I'll figure out what I need it for, and I'll just use it for something else. Maybe do the LA, inside of the LA on the table. Get some epoxy. I don't know. I'll figure something out. So yeah, so I went and got all the materials. So I'm gonna put Flex Seal on the wood, the back, the inside. What else did I get? What didn't I get? I got still the glues right there, and I bought something else. I just don't remember what. I had to go buy a new set of make holes, because the one I have is dull. When I was doing the truck, oh, not this. Oh, this one too. But when I was doing the truck, dulled the crap out of them. Let me see if I could get it in focus. Right there, flat. So I'm gonna sharpen these up myself. Let's see. I got, yeah, it's all bad. Bought some self tappers, 2 different sizes. Bought some clamps. Went and bought some more of these rivets. So I don't know if I'm gonna do rivets or if I'm gonna do screws. Screws will stick on a lot better than the rivets. That's what I'm thinking. But the rivets will be flushed. But then again, I don't care, because there's gonna be cushion covering this part right here. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys posted. Right now I'm thinking of drilling the holes. I'm thinking of going to each one and drilling the holes. And then I'm gonna do it to the other board wherever I left it right there. So I'm gonna do it to that one, and I'm gonna use these as templates to do more over here. So I'm gonna put them all right here, cut them all out, do the holes, so you guys could just holes on all this, holes right there, and then you guys buy your own Flex Seal and do what I did, and then you could send them out to get done. But that's where I'm at right now. About to go eat and get back to work. Alright, so I ended up going with rivets. Thinking they're a little bit too small, but we'll see how it goes. As long as it holds the door panel, that's all that matters. First one is done for right now. That's what the back looks like. And it's already I already put some of that sealant to stop the moisture from coming in. That's why it looks like the way it is. I had to put a lot here just because they broke off, so that way it could cover up all the other cracks. But like, bam, solid right there. That's my first panel right there. Now I gotta clean all this off right here with the wire brush. Sand down a little bit of this to the paint. That way the glue can stick. Cut out a foam, piece of that foam over there. Piece of that cloth or the vinyl. Slap it right over and see how it goes. Alright, so I ended up going with rivets. Thinking they're a little bit too small, but we'll see how it goes. As long as it holds the door panel, that's all that matters. First one is done for right now. That's what the back looks like. And it's already I already put some of that sealant to stop the moisture from coming in. That's why it looks like the way it is. I had to put a lot here just because they broke off, so that way it could cover up all the other cracks. But like, bam, solid right there. That's my first panel right there. Now I gotta clean all this off right here with the wire brush. Sand down a little bit of this of the paint. That way the glue can stick. Cut out a foam, piece of that foam over there. Piece of that cloth or the vinyl. Slap it right over and see how it goes.